Hello students, this is the topic relating to retail locations from the retail management. So firstly, what is retail? Retail is the sale of goods and services from individuals or businesses to the end user. Retailers are part of integrated system called the supply chain, and retailer purchases goods or products in larger quantity from manufacturers directly or through wholesalers and then sell in smaller quantity to the consumer, ultimately for profit. Retailing can be done in either fixed location like stores or markets, door to door, or by delivery. Now, what is a retail location? That is a place of business usually owned and operated by a retailer, but sometimes owned and operated by a manufacturer or by someone other than retailer, in which merchandise is sold primarily to ultimate consumers. Now, there are two types of retail locations: unplanned areas and shopping centers. Unplanned areas, there are four types we will discuss in detail, and under shopping centers, there are certain parts. So, firstly, unplanned retail locations. In this, firstly is freestanding. Freestanding is a retail outlet on a street as opposed to the one in a mall or shopping center. It could be beside a highway or tucked away in a neighborhood location or right off any busy location. Any stand-alone building could be this type of retail location. Another is out parcels. Individual or retail sites located within a shopping center, a tract of land adjacent to a larger tract of which it was originally an integral part. For example, McDonald's or banks, etc. City or town location. Gentrifications, renewal and rebuilding of offices, housing, and retailers in deteriorating areas, coupled with an influx of more affluent people that displaces the former poorer residents. Next is Main Street areas, which are planned, developed, owned, and managed as single property. Next is the shopping centers. Shopping centers, first one is neighborhood and community, which are attached rows of non-enclosed stores, convenient location, and easy parking. Second is power centers. Primarily consist of collection of big box retail stores, for example, Target, Sports Authority, etc. Shopping malls, regional malls that is less than 1 million square feet and super regional that is more than 1 million square feet. Lifestyle centers, open air configuration, store entertainment and restaurants with design, ambience and amenities. Next is Omni centers, combination of enclosed stores. Theme festival centers. It employs a unifying theme carried by the individual shops in architecture design. For example, Chocolate Festival. Next is fashion specialty centers. For example, stores in Phipps Plaza, Tiffany, Gucci, etc. Other locations. Other locations that may be pop-up stores or store within a store, for example, mobile stores, which gives the connections, kiosks or airports, that is Apple stores, etc. Thank you.